Morning, friends. This is Sadi again. Today, I want to share. I got 2015 Nissan Versa. I will replace the windshield wiper. It's not a big deal, but they got a little bit tricky for take it off the windshield because they got some lock. Okay, this windshield is complete gone. Okay, both sides. I go get new ones. In this case, is different size. The windshield for the passenger size is 14 inches. The windshield wiper for driver side is the 22-inch long. Okay, so we started remove the first one on the passenger side. Okay, I will put the gloves. Okay. They got some instructions on the back side, the package. Because this is universal windshield wiper, so you can use it in different trucks. They got the same size. Okay, look, for remove, you try to put this position because they got some lock under the lower side. So if you put like a position was working, you can get it. So you need to be raise it up and move it like I show you, and then use your two hands. The first one you push the lock in and push it back the windshield, so you can pick it up a little bit and then move a little to forward and they pull it out. It's not complicated, but they got a little bit trick, you know. Sometimes it's hard to do. Put some WD-40 or sometimes shake a little bit and push the lock, and because the lock is now on the truck part, you know, the lock is on the windshield wiper, so they come whole thing out. Okay, you see it? Okay, this is the lock where you push it in and then push it down the windshield. Okay, we started put new one. We do the reverse. We put the first. Okay, we try put in the same position too. We check the size first, it's the same size. And turn the lock like this position. You go into the metal part. Like this. And you push a little bit forward, forget, like this. You go in the place. And then push it up, forget the clip out, click in. Okay, when the click gonna be in, it's done, this size. Okay, my friends. Okay, I will do the same thing for another one. It was complete gone. Okay. Do the same thing. push the click and push down the windshield wiper. Get off. Okay. The driver's side is a little bit more longer than passenger side. So this one is like 22-inch longer. Okay, I will go package. Remove the new windshield wiper. We'll compare the size, make sure the same size. But I think you, before go get it, you take a measure, you know? So maybe it's the right size. Okay, same thing. Move a little bit the lock for get room, for getting the place, and when you gonna be click up. When you hear click, it's in the place. Okay. The two windshield wipers is on the place. Okay, I think it's done, but I'll be got inside the car. I turn the car on, I put the windshield wiper fluid and see how is the difference between the old one and between the new. Because when the windshield wiper is new, they dry the windshield just 1 second after move it. So this is the best thing when you was driving and raining hard. You get new windshield wiper because it's when the pass they remove all the water so you can see. Okay. This is just for show purpose. We go inside the car for cranking, put some windshield wiper fluid, and then we see the difference before. Well, okay, gonna be inside. We crank the car. Okay, my friends, if you like the video, put a like. Don't forget share my channel for your friends and put some comments underneath. Look at that. You seen it? Put the windshield wiper, done, clean, dry. If you like the channel, put a like, share for friends, push the bell for show, get the boss when I put a new video. Okay, my friend, this is Sari. Share all what I do on the cars. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and share this video for your friends. Okay, it's 2015 Nissan Versa. Replace the windshield wiper. Ooh, completely clean. Okay, we're perfect. This is 2015 Nissan Versa. Replace the windshield wiper.